Time travel's allure, past regrets, and future dreams. Hey everyone, have you ever wished you could take a time machine back to change a past mistake or sneak a peek into the future? Well, today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of time travel. Whether it's hopping into a DeLorean or using a TARDIS, time travel has captured our imaginations for decades. We'll explore some mind bending concepts around time travel, its complexities, its implications, and the science that makes it all possible. So get cozy and let's embark on this adventure together. The Time Traveler's Paradox. Let's kick things off with something known as the Time Traveler's Paradox. It's a pretty wild concept. Imagine you could travel back in time and accidentally prevent your parents from meeting. Uh-oh, if that happens, you'd never be born, which means you couldn't have gone back in time in the first place. This situation raises some serious questions about causality. The idea that every action has a consequence. If we start messing with the past, how does it impact the present and future? It's a real brain teaser. Philosophers and scientists alike have wrestled with these head-spinning dilemmas, and it makes you wonder, is any mistake truly irreversible? Oh, and speaking of mistakes, here's a joke for you. If I could time travel, I'd probably just go back to the last time I ate a whole pizza by myself. But then again, I might not exist if I do. Time dilation. Now let's shift gears and talk about something called time dilation. Sounds fancy, right? But it's actually pretty cool. Time dilation is this idea that time can pass at different rates depending on how fast you're moving or how strong the gravitational pull is around you. So if you were to hop on a spaceship and zoom around the galaxy near the speed of light, time would pass more slowly for you compared to someone chilling back on Earth. Imagine coming back after a year in space and finding out your friends have aged decades. This concept comes from Einstein's theory of relativity, which is just a fancy way to say that our perceptions of time and space can be warped. In fact, we already see time dilation at play with satellites. GPS satellites need to adjust their timing because they orbit Earth at a different speed than we experience on the ground. Without corrections, your GPS could send you a bit off course. So in a way, science is already allowing us to play with time. Wormholes and time warps. Next up, let's explore wormholes and time warps. Now, I know what you're thinking. What even is a wormhole? Well, you can think of a wormhole as a kind of tunnel through space-time, like a shortcut that connects two different places or even two different times. Theoretical physics suggests that these pathways could exist, allowing for instantaneous travel across vast distances or even to the past. However, we're still in the land of